Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and updates. Then we have to simply tap on date and time. And as you can see, we do not have a lot of options to customize. It is because we are using the automatic date and time. So first of all, we have to turn off this option, and right now we can freely manually change the date. Simply tap on it, and just by swiping, pick the date you want to use. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, set the one you want to apply. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on it and you will be transferred to this list of available time zones. So of course you can enter the name of it, or you can scroll to find it. After finding, tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, and the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format kind of. Currently we are using 24-hour one. If we want to use 12-hour format, simply turn off this option and it will be applied. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping automatic date and time, but we have to manually change the time zone. The same situation with the time format. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.